Good morning everyone, every 2 and every 3. For today's video, pinadalhan tayo ng package ni Mamo Babe Shop PH. Before tayo mag-unbox, let me take my calcium supplement first for my head, shoulders, knees and toes. Para hindi sumakit ang ating ngipin every time na magpapa-breastfeed tayo. As a breastfeeding mom, we need lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of water. And of course, habang nag-chill pa si baby at hindi pa siya nagpapakarga, let's start unboxing. So lately, I've been searching ano ba magandang inflatable chair for my baby. So currently, my baby is 5 months, going 6 months na siya. This shop gathered 4,200 searches past week and merong 100% positive reviews. And of course, dahil excited tayo, hindi na ako nagbasa no kung anong mga kasulat and manual and everything kasi gusto ko na talaga siyang walagyan na agad ng hangin. Kitang-kita naman, 'di ba, porsigido talaga akong hanginan siya. Tapos ang ending, hindi ko pala na-close yung kabilang part. So yung effort ko kanina is wala lang yun. Erase. So ito na yung part 2 ng ating pag-airtime. So ang kagandahan sa inflatable chair na to is meron na siyang built-in na air pump. So wala kang ibang gagawin kundi i-press at i-pump. So finally nagbunga na rin ang ating effort. So I'm checking if goods na ba yung hangin bago gamitan ni baby. Malalaman mo pag okay na siya pag tumayo na yun. Ayun. So i-close na natin siya and eto na yung inflatable chair natin. So it has a curved design and very lightweight lang siya. Before natin ipatest kay baby kung pasado sa kanya or hindi, let me sanitize this chair first. Sa ilalim meron siyang drainage hole structure. So ano yun? Ibig sabihin pag umihi si baby, lulusot ganon. So kung kailan nagpupunas ako, tsaka pa ako nagbasa. So ito na yung first attempt natin guys, kung pasado ba kay baby. So makikita nyo naman guys, na talagang straight pa yung legs ni baby. Naninibago pa talaga siya. So mag-proceed tayo sa ating third attempt. As a second time mom na medyo paranoid pa rin, of course, I search at nag-chat ako kay ChatGPT. I ask, is it safe for my going 6 months baby to use inflatable chair to practice sitting? Tapos syempre mahaba yung sagot ni ChatGPT. Feel free to read guys. And if your baby is showing sign of independent sitting but still needs a little support, the chair can be a fun way to practice. Basta dapat, every time na gagamitin si inflatable chair, dapat katabi natin si baby at hindi maaalis ang ating paningin sa kanila. For me, this is the best way to introduce sitting kay baby. I will share the link if you want to order.